First of all kinds of living organisms, which are eukaryotes and compose of numerous cells and can sexually reproduce, are known as animals. All animals have a unique role to play in maintaining the balance of nature. A lot of animal species exist in both land and water. As a result, each of them has a purpose for their existence. The animals divide into specific groups in biology. Amphibians are those which can live on both land and water. Reptiles are cold-blooded animals which have scales on their body. Further, mammals are ones which give birth to their offspring in the womb and have mammary glands. Birds are animals whose forelimbs evolve into wings and their body is covered with feather. They lay eggs to give birth. Fishes have fins and not limbs. They breathe through gills in water. Further, insects are mostly six-legged or more. Thus, these are the kinds of animals present on Earth. Importance of animals. Animals play an essential role in human life and planet Earth. Ever since an early time, humans have been using animals for their benefit. Earlier, they came in use for transportation purposes. Further, they also come in use for food, hunting and protection. Humans use oxen for farming. Animals also come in use as companions to humans. For instance, dogs come in use to guide the physically challenged people, as well as old people. In research laboratories, animals come in use for drug testing. Rats and rabbits are mostly tested upon. These researches are useful in predicting any future diseases outbreaks. Thus, we can protect us from possible harm. Astronomers also use animals to do their research. They also come in use for other purposes. Animals have use in various sports like racing, polo, and more. In addition, they also have use in other fields. They also come in use in recreational activities. For instance, there are circuses, and then people also come door to door to display the tricks by animals to entertain children.
Wildlife refers to undomesticated animal species, but has come to include all organisms that grow or live wild in an area without being introduced by humans. Wildlife was also synonymous to game, those birds and mammals that were hunted for sport. Wildlife can be found in all ecosystems. Deserts, plains, grasslands, woodlands, forests, and other areas, including the most developed urban areas, all have distinct forms of wildlife. While the term in popular culture usually refers to animals that are untouched by human factors, most scientists agree that much wildlife is affected by human activities. Too, some wildlife threaten human safety, health, property, and quality of life. However, many wild animals, even the dangerous ones, have value to human beings. This value might be economic, educational, or emotional in nature. A lion, Panthera leo. A lion, Panthera leo. Lions are an example of charismatic megafauna, a group of wildlife species that are especially popular in human culture. Humans have historically tended to separate civilization from wildlife in a number of ways, including the legal, social, and moral senses. Some animals, however, have adapted to suburban environments. This includes such animals as feral cats, dogs, mice, and rats. Some religions declare certain animals to be sacred, and in modern times, concern for the natural environment has provoked activists to protest against the exploitation of wildlife for human benefit or entertainment. Global wildlife populations have decreased by 68% since 1970 as a result of human activity, particularly overconsumption, population growth, and intensive farming, according to a 2020 World Wildlife Fund's Living Planet report and the Zoological Society of London's Living Planet Index measure, which is further evidence that humans have unleashed a sixth mass extinction event. 4. According to CITES, it has been estimated that annually the international wildlife trade amounts to billions of dollars and it affect